What is Lord of the Dance? If you are curious about what Lord of the Dance is, you are in for a treat. This captivating show is a spectacular blend of Irish music and dance, created by Michael Flatley, a famous Irish dancer and choreographer. The show first premiered in Dublin in 1996 and has since captured the hearts of audiences worldwide. Lord of the Dance tells a compelling story of good versus evil, set in a fictional world where the Lord of the Dance fights for control. This narrative is brought to life through a mix of traditional Irish step dance and modern choreography. The performers showcase their incredible athleticism and artistry, making each performance a visual feast. Irish step dance is a key feature of the show. This dance style is known for its quick rhythms and precise footwork. Dancers typically wear hard shoes with metal tips, which create the unique percussive sounds that are a signature of Irish dance. The sound of the shoes tapping against the floor adds an exciting layer to the performance, enhancing the overall experience. As you travel in Ireland, experiencing Lord of the Dance can be a wonderful way to immerse yourself in Irish culture. The show not only entertains but also offers a glimpse into the rich history and traditions of Ireland. Whether you are a fan of dance music or simply want to enjoy the best of Irish culture, Lord of the Dance is a must-see performance. The show has toured extensively, reaching audiences in numerous countries and bringing Irish culture to the forefront. It has become a symbol of Irish pride and creativity, showcasing the beauty of the nation's dance heritage. If you have the chance to see Lord of the Dance, you will likely leave with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for Irish culture. So, when you are planning your trip to Ireland, make sure to check if you can catch this iconic performance. It is an experience that truly embodies the spirit of Ireland and its vibrant dance traditions.